Hi everyone, Adam from Fabtech here. Today I want to take you through our 8-inch system for the 2017 Super Duty. This kit is perfect for anyone that wants to run 38-inch or 40-inch tires. These kits come in two different variations, tubular replacement radius arms and our 4-link conversion system, which is shown here on this vehicle. Now let me take you through this vehicle and show you what the highlights are.
An advantage to the 4-link system is a better on-road feel due to a lower caster change, as well as an increased articulation for off-road use. All our 4-link arms feature our 5-ton joints with a lifetime warranty against wearing out. Typically, on the 8-inch system you would get a replacement coil spring up front, but on this truck we installed our high-end DirtLogic 4.0 Resi coilovers. They go inside the coil bucket for an easy installation. This 4.0, like all our DirtLogic shocks, have a stainless steel body with a nitro steel piston rod for maximum corrosion resistance. DirtLogic shocks are the only shock on the market with a stainless steel body. This truck rides excellent on and off-road. In designing this 8-inch system, we had to address the very sensitive steering box that Ford uses on the 2017 models. To do this properly, we came up with an extended link track bar and offset bracket. This places the bar closer to the operating plane of the drag link, reducing steering wheel feedback from oversized tires. The unique design of this bar is that it's 4 inches longer than stock and is offset to the driver's side. This allows for 15.5-inch wide tires at full steer. This setup is mandatory for the 2017 Super Duty when you go over 6 inches of lift with larger tires. Fabtech is the only one on the market with this cutting-edge setup. Out back, the lift comes from a block and add-a-leaf combo with our DirtLogic 2.25-inch stainless steel shocks. This truck also features our floating traction bars, which reduce rear leaf spring wrap without affecting ride quality. If you're looking for a top quality suspension for your Super Duty that comes with a 5-year, 60,000-mile warranty, there's only one choice: Fabtech.